It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
Every year for my birthday, for I don't know how many years now, at least 10, my mom has sent me Valentine gummy hearts. My birthday is the 11th, right before Valentine's Day. So this year she sent me 3 different types. Juju hearts, Brock's cherry hearts, and Swedish fish hearts. So we're going to try each one and compare and see which kind is better. The bags are already open. We're gonna try the Swedish fish first.
Mom, I do a thumbs up.
They look like Swedish. They look like hearts, but they're not. Feels like Swedish fish.
Yeah. No, this kind.
They smell good,
But mine has holes.
tastes like cherry.
It tastes
With a thumbs
like
up.
cherry. I do thumbs up too.
And it's very chewy and it sticks to my teeth.
Now which one are we
We need
doing?
Colin's opinion first.
Tastes just like Swedish fish.
I
Now
like
what?
Try the next one.
They're not as squishy as the Swedish fish.
They're huge.
Yeah, they're bigger.
And they're sticky.
They feel sticky.
They are so sticky. Mom, some more people need to eat some more of these. Now these. Not yet.
They're very chewy and stick to my teeth, like the Swedish fish.
Those are so good. They taste a little better than the Swedish fish. They're sticky, they're big, and they're stuck to my teeth. Mom,
Out of these two, I think these ones are better so far.
these are so bitter. Yeah, me too. I like these. I like them too. Now this one.
The Julu or something.
They're a lot smaller and
They're like
a lot squishier.
they're not like the gummies.
Yeah. They're not squishier. Come like all of them. It has a strong flavor.
Of cherry.
Mm-hmm.
And it doesn't really stick to my teeth as much as these two.
Yeah.
I would say these are the best.
I'd say these are. All of them are the best.
If you buy them, I would say these you'd get the most out of. Well,
No.
you'd get bigger hearts, and these you'd get
I'll eat
a
all
lot
of
more,
these
but littler
ones.
ones.
I'll eat all
These
of
are the
these
biggest,
ones.
second, smallest.
I like this, that.
I like
I'll
this,
eat all of these.
All right, we'll
Mom.
show you a size comparison.
They're all very cherry.
Mom, can I eat all of these?
So these ones are considerably smaller than the other.
Mom,
these
can
ones
I
are-
eat all of these ones?
I guess those ones are pretty squishy. These ones are harder,
Mama?
but they're squishier when you bite into them, and much
Mommy.
bigger. These ones are just about perfect. They're a good size.
Mommy,
For a
can I
heart
eat
candy
all
box.
of these ones?
You may have one. Which kind is the best kind, Em?
Which one do you like the best?
This one. This
That kind? The
Yeah.
Swedish fish?
Uh-huh.
Which one do you like the second best?
This one.
Which one do you like the third best?
This one. I like all of them.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, me too.
Me too.
I'd say this one's the best.
I like the Julu hearts.
The black.
Juju hearts?
Juju hearts.
These ones are smaller and bigger.
Smaller and bigger? That doesn't make sense.
Oh, it's hot.
Swedish fish ones are not good.
I
They're-
like them. I really like them.
They're kind of gross, but I don't really like Swedish fish.
Oh, makes sense now.
I think they're pretty good. But they're the worst out of these. I would still eat them though.
Thumbs up.
Because I like candy.
Thumbs up this. We're all thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Double thumbs up. When I do double thumbs up.
Go out and try some. Have a happy Valentine's Day.
It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.